Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete an inventory adjustment in QuickBooks Online. Alright, let's begin. First, open QuickBooks Desktop and navigate to the Lists menu. From there, select Items to access your inventory list. Scroll through the list and locate the inventory adjustment you need to delete. Once you find the adjustment, right-click on the entry and select Delete or Inventory Adjustment. A confirmation message will appear, warning you that deleting the adjustment will remove it from your records permanently. If you are sure you want to proceed, click Yes to confirm the deletion. If you need to modify the inventory adjustment instead of deleting it, you can open the adjustment entry, edit the necessary details, and save the changes. This allows you to correct errors without completely removing the transaction. So that's basically how you can delete an inventory adjustment in QuickBooks Online. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.